celestial angel night. Do you have time? Take 60 seconds to look at this comet as it hit its higher gear like, hell yeah, we're flying now. And then vanished. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. So, if the data we have been shown has been real at all, this has been one wild and crazy adventure. We got a lot of giant dirty snowballs. Everybody laughs at a shit show, but nobody laughs in a shitstorm. You know, professional science does not have an official public relations department, so we have to rely on people like Amy Mainzer, Phil Plait, Carl Batams for almost all of our information. Comet Ison is a sun grazer. Carl Batams of the Naval Research Lab said in a NASA article, the orbit of the comet will bring it very close to the sun, which we know can be a spectacular thing. Sorry, that voice may not be a proper representation of Carl. Never met the dude.
I am Carl Batams. I am a computational scientist and astrophysicist from the Naval Research Lab.
Good morning, folks.
Are you cool?
Hey, everybody. It's a heads up.
Because I'm going to be dropping some hard Thor News science upon you. Stay cool. This is a Thor News presentation. Thor News presents Hit the Button, baby.
Everything that you're seeing in this movie is based on actual data. So actually, every single dot that you see in this movie is a real comet that has been discovered or observed by SOHO.
Yo, Carl, you can't just say SOHO to everyone and expect them to know exactly what it is. Could you please explain to our party people what SOHO is?
SOHO is the Solar Heliospheric Observatory, so it's a joint mission between NASA and the European Space Agency, and SOHO's mission was to study and understand the sun and the region of space surrounding the sun and all of the cool, awesome, explosive stuff that the sun does.
The Solar Heliospheric Observatory. Lockheed Martin. Atlas.
One ignition and liftoff of SOHO and the Atlas vehicle on an international mission of solar physics.
It began operations in 1996. We haven't replaced SOHO or stereo in almost 20 years. It's like we don't like watching the sun and the planets in real time. If real time was 5 still frames for the entire day. You know what I'm saying? Okay.
There was never any intention for SOHO to be a comet discoverer. The reason that SOHO has been so successful at finding these comets is because it's got this wonderful instrument on the spacecraft that offers us a view of the inner solar system that we just cannot get from any telescope on Earth.
Some divisions of NASA are way more Gryffindor than others, and I find that the solar division of NASA, the guys and women dealing with the solar cameras, pretty dang cool, and they do the best they can with the hand they've been dealt. Man, it's a cool camera. I really do like LASCO, SOHO, SDO, and stereo. The sun cameras are pretty neat, and I'm telling you, if you don't have a love life, they're a fine replacement. Asterisk. Okay.
One of the really awesome facts that I love about the sun grazers, in particular the Kreutz comets that you're seeing in red, they are the fastest objects in our solar system that aren't particles.
So man, yeah, it was never intended to find comets. We don't even have like 4 satellites on the 4 corners of the globe pointed every which way looking for new comets. You'd think we'd have shit like that, like asteroid defense programs with serious plans and stuff. Anyway, comets are cool. They're like snowball cat dragon stuff.
Any comet that you see in this movie that does not have a label, it means it was discovered by SOHO. I really love that this mission that was designed to do something completely different just by luck and by chance has completely rewritten the history books, with more than well over half of all the comets that we have on official record now carry SOHO's name, and it was never even intended to do that. I just love that fact.
I'm alright, ain't nobody worry about me. I'm alright, ain't nobody worry about me.